Say, Cooking with Millie.
Cooking with Millie.
Okay, ready? We got our recipe book. Okay, we got eggs. We got flour. We got salt. Where'd the salt go? We got a milk. What'd you do with the salt? Salt?
I like to walk.
All right, we need, wait, 3 eggs. Okay, go crack it. Oh, that's really cracked. Good job. Oh, squeeze it out. Oh, yeah.
I will do that.
Oh, you did a great job.
I will do that one too.
Okay, do another one. Oh, biscuits.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. We'll get a new one. Here, don't worry. The girls will clean it up. Did you get some on your toes?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's all right. You're washable.
Oh,
Okay, let's get a new
I will
one.
do it again.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay, now we need a 1 1/4 cup of milk. Ready? I need milk. Ready? Oh, yeah. Okay, and now we're going to do one more. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You hold on to it. Millie, hold it. Hold on to the cup. Ready? Oh, okay, pour it in there. Nice. All right. And then throw that in there.
Thank you.
Drop that right in there. Oh, yeah, there you go. One more?
I will do it.
I know, I got to get it though, silly. All right, pop that in there. I got flour. Oh, we're going to put sugar in there? Oops, no, I didn't take the sugar out yet.
Yeah. Okay. I will do what I will do.
I know, that's why I got it ready for you. Drop that right in there. Oh, yeah. Shake. Nope.
Sorry about that.
That's okay, it's okay. You ready for your mixer?
Yeah.
All right, mixer.
I want to know a video.
We're making a video for Mom and Daddy. Show them how we're making breakfast.
No need to cuddling.
Nonna needs cuddling.
Oh, no cuddle.
Nonna cuddling.
With Gloria.
Glory's probably waiting for you to drop another egg.
No.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, no. No, what are you doing?
I'm mixing it. What are you doing?
Making it too.
Okay, bye. See you when it's done.
I put the meatball in there.
Yep. And you got the olive oil in the pan. And now you put the meatballs in there. Mix them up. Get that oil on there.
I mix it up.
Okay, now you put the salt in the water. Shake. Good job. Thank you.
I did do it again.
And now we're going to do the oil in the water. You ready? Take the lid off. Other direction.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? Take it off. Okay, give it a little bloop. Pour it in there. Give it a little bloop. Bloop, that's good job. Welcome back to Cooking with Millie. Say welcome back.
Welcome back.
You're doing a mixy.
To Mixy.
Cooking with Millie.
Cooking the back to cut the Mary.
Welcome back to Cooking with Millie. Our final Swedish meatball combo with noodles, buttered noodles, butter, of course, meat or vegetables, and our meatballs. Say thank you for joining us.
Thank you for doing this.
Bon
I
appetit. My knee. Say bon appetit.
Go to the cheek.
Welcome back to Cooking with Millie. Say welcome back to Cooking with Millie.
Back into the back to Cooking with Millie.
Okay, we're gonna make yogurt and berries. So first we open the yogurt, right? Got it? Then you put your berries in. Put your berries in your yogurt.
No.
No? You're gonna eat them separate? Here's your spoon for mixing. Mixy. Are you just gonna eaty? And that is apparently how we make berries and yogurt, friends. How is it?
this.
You want some apples in your yogurt?
No.
No? Okay. Well, say thanks for joining us. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome back to Cooking with Millie.
We're gonna back and cook it with Millie.
We're making oatmeal with apples and bananas. Okay. Six. Okay, Millie, pour it.
I can drink it.
Sure, you can drink it. Let's put you a little bit closer. Oop. All right. Welcome back. Time to
Welcome
pour
back.
it. Okay, pour it in there.
For Millie.
1, 5,
Why Millie? For
6.
Millie.
All right, Millie, mixer. Shake it in there. Ooh, yeah, nutmeg. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Mix it. Oh, yeah, shake it in there. Oh, the cinnamon's so good. Thank you. Mixer. Got a good mix going? We have some bananas and apples to put in
I
there,
need
too.
them. I need them.
Yep. Pour your banana. Oh, pour your apples in. We cut those up yesterday. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Open them up. Okay, we're going to put it on the stove. See you guys later. Bye. We'll see you in a minute. Tell them.
2 minutes.
Put it on your plate. How about if we do welcome back to Cooking with Millie?
Oh my, Anana.
Oh my, a Nana. You cut it. Only use the knives with the Nonna or the mama and the daddy or the papas.
And Nonna.
Or the Mimis or the Gagas, okay? Only with the grown-ups.
This is Millie banana.
Millie's banana. All right.
I can cut it.
Yep, cut it.
Cut.
And then cut again. Ooh, watch your finger. There you go. Ooh. Cut. You trying to eat it?
I cut it.
You have one in your hand already. Ready to cut it?
Yeah.
Cut. See you later. Tell them. See you later.
See you later.
Welcome back to Cooking with Millie.
We're gonna back and cook it with Millie.
I found Nona's headphones, and I call them my helmet. Show everybody our oatmeal. Ooh, oatmeal. Okay, good job. Nona's going to tap. All right, say see y'all later.
See you later. We're gonna back and cook it with Millie.
This is our oatmeal. Say this is our oatmeal
This is my oatmeal.
with my berry garnish.
With my baby cut.
Ooh, give it a blow. We cooled it off in the freezer first. How is it? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Yay. Say bon appetit.
But the diddy.
Welcome back to Cooking with Millie.
We're cooking with Millie.
This morning, we're having cereal. Pour a little milk. Oh, yeah. There we go. We measure vanilla with our heart because we're sassy. Ready?
Tap, tap, tap.
Yeah, tap. Ready? Let's pour some vanilla in. Hey, psst. Ready? I'll pour some vanilla in. Ooh. Give that a mixy. Millie's bowl first, and then Nona's bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. How about Nonna bowl?
And Nona's bowl next. Okie dokie. Ready? Ooh, here it comes. Okay. Whoa. Oh, Lord. Okay. You want some berries in there? Let's pour our milk.
No.
Ready to pour our milk in there? Here's your spoon. Ready to pour the milk in there? Oh, you're going to do it with the spoon? Okay, give it a pour. Are you going to taste it? How is it? Did you mix it perfectly?
No.
Is it good? How is it? Millie makes the best vanilla milk in the whole wide world. Ooh. Pour it in. Ready?
And my cereal.
And your cereal, and you can mixy, and then you can eat it. Okay, mixy. Use your spoon. Oh, gonna help pour it in the nose. Thank you. Okay, let's go eat it. Say, thank you for joining us. Say thank you. Oh, you need this? This guy too? Oh, we almost forgot about our yogurt.
I need down to here.
Okay, we'll put it down to here. All right. Have a great day. Tell everybody, make it a great day.
Make it great, get it.
Bon appetit. And bon appetit. Can you say bon appetit?
Yeah.
Say it. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.